In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme. Begin by accessing Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings and scroll down to access Theme. Finally, to apply the best one for you, just click on it and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to try something more interesting, you can always switch your keyboard to Gboard. In order to do that, launch Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Gboard and get this free app called Gboard, the Google keyboard from Google Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now select Enable in Settings. Click on gray switcher next to Gboard and tap on OK in Attention pop-up. When you're ready, go back. Click on Select Input Method and tap on Gboard. Then select Done and click on Theme section right away. To apply one of those themes, tap on all of those icons at the top right corners and check out all the available ones. Now you need to click on the best one, Manage Key Borders, and hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it, go back to the same theme section. And this time click on plus icon under my themes. Then click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage Key Borders and choose Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!